Uh, Good evening, dear shareholders. I am Pankaj Khattar, Head Legal and Company Secretary. I am attending this meeting from home.
Sir, kindly turn on camera, sir. Sorry for interruption. Yeah, now it's visible, sir. Thank you.
Okay. I am Pankaj Khattar, Head Legal and Company Secretary. I am joining this meeting from Spokes registered office. I extend a very warm welcome to all the shareholders who have attended this meeting through video conferencing. This meeting is being conducted through VC as per circulars issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the Security and Exchange Board of India. The company had sent a notice to AGM along with the link to those members whose email addresses were registered with the company. I now take you through procedural and technical aspects relating to the attendance meeting. All members who have joined this meeting are by default placed on mode by the host to avoid any disturbance or inconvenience. Once the question and answer session commences, we will announce names of shareholders who have registered as speaker shareholders one by one. Only the audio of the speaker shareholder will thereafter be unmuted by the host. To start speaking, the shareholder is requested to click the video on button and only once and wait till the video is on. If the shareholder is unable to attend the video for any reason, the shareholder can speak through the audio mode. While speaking, we would request the shareholder speaker to use the earphone so that we can be clearly heard. Minimize any noise in the background. Ensure that Wi-Fi is not connected to any other device. No other background applications are running. There is proper light to have a good video experience. If you observe that there is a connectivity issue, we will ask the next speaker to join. Once the connectivity improves, we will ask the speaker shareholder to join at the end. We would request the shareholders to be slow, but loud so that the question can be opened. We would request all the shareholders to restrict their 2 to 3 minutes. During AGM, if any member faces any technical issue, they can contact NHDF Line as stated in instruction number 6 on page 9 of the annual report. The shareholders registered are required under the provisions to Companies Act are made available electronically for inspection. And those members who have requested can be inspected. The live streaming of this meeting is also being broadcast on NSDL's website. The company has received 2 representations under Section 113 of the Companies Act covering 95,25691 equity shares representing 73.85% of the paid equity share capital. In compliance with the provisions of Section 108 of the Companies Act and Rule 20 of the Company's Management and Administrative System Rules 2014 as amended and Resolution 44 as LODR, the company had provided e-voting facilities to the members of the company in respect of the businesses to be transacted at the AGM. The remote e-voting commenced at 9 a.m. IST on Monday, September 13, 2021 and ended on Wednesday at 5 p.m. IST on September 15, 2021. The members participating in the AGM through VC, OAVM facility and who have not already cast vote are requested to cast their vote during the AGM. Members may go to the voting page of the NSDL voting website and cast their votes while at the same time watch proceedings of the meeting. I now wish to Mr. Mahesh Kalani, Managing Director, to formally introduce himself and the director.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mahesh Dailiani, Managing Director of the company. I am also a member of the Audit Committee, the Stakeholders Relationship Committee, and the Corporate Social Responsibility Committee and Risk Management Committee of the Board of Directors. I am attending this meeting from the registered office of the company. A representative of Messrs. Pricewaterhouse Chartered Accountants LLP, statutory auditors, and Makaran M. Joshi and company secretarial auditors are also attending this meeting through the video conferencing. I now request Mr. B. Shivanandan to introduce himself. Mr. Shivanandan.
Good evening to everybody. I'm Shivanandan, joining this meeting from Madurai, my place of stay for the time being, and I'm participating through VC. Thank you.
Yeah. May I request Mrs. Rani Jadhav to introduce herself? Ma'am, you are on mute, I think. Ma'am, we cannot hear you.
Has the moderator put on mute?
I think.
Can you hear me
Yeah,
now?
okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So good evening, everyone. I'm Rani Jadhav, Independent Director of the company. I'm a member of the Relationship Committee of the Board of Directors. I'm attending this meeting from the US. Thank you.
May I request Mr. Nikhil Bhatia to introduce himself?
Good evening, everybody. I'm Nikhil Bhatia, Independent Director, and serve as the Chairman of the Audit Committee and Risk Management Committee and member of Nomination and Remuneration Committee of the Board of Directors. I'm attending this meeting from the registered office of the company.
May I request Mr. Jay Mawani to introduce himself?
Good evening. This is Jay Mawani, Non-Executive Director of the company. I'm attending this meeting from the registered office of the company in Mumbai. Thank you.
May I request Mr. Mistry, Chairman, to formally introduce himself and take over the proceedings?
Thank you. Good evening. I'm Shapur Mistry, Chairman of the company. I'm also a member of the Nomination and Remuneration Committee. I'm attending this meeting from the registered office of the company. As requisite quorum is present, I now call the meeting to order. I welcome all the shareholders to the 102nd Annual General Meeting of Forbes. Before we go ahead and start the meeting, I would like to announce very sadly the passing away this morning of Mr. K.C. Mehra. He was a stellar director, managing director, CEO of Forbes, and had done stellar work in guiding your company and the Forbes group through very, very difficult times. Would like to place on record the thanks of all the directors and, if I have your permission, the shareholders to the family of Mr. K.C. Mehra. I would like to thank him. I would like to thank his family, and I would like to send our most sincere condolences to his family. I would also like 1 minute silence, please. Thank you. As I said, I welcome all the shareholders, 102nd Annual General Meeting of the Forbes Company. We are in the midst of once-in-a-generation health crisis, which overwhelmed the country's medical infrastructure. Our thoughts and prayers are with everyone who suffered the debilitating effects of COVID-19 and heartfelt condolences for those who have lost their loved ones. We thank you for all the continued support and encouragement during these difficult times. With your permission, I take the notice dated 25th June 21, convening the 102nd Annual General Meeting along with the explanatory statement as read. There are no qualifications in the auditor's report on the standalone and consolidated financial statements. The auditors have referred certain matters in their report financial statements to the shareholders, which read with the relevant notes forming part of the accounts are self-explanatory. The secretarial auditor's report does not contain any qualification, reservation, or adverse remark or disclaimer. The financial year 2021 was a complex, difficult, and highly volatile period to operate. COVID-19 forced some changes to many aspects of business and human lives. Starting 2020, Q1 2000, in an irreversible manner, the company had no choice but to respond and adapt to these challenges in this environment and ensure the business continuity. We redefined our strategy to constantly evolve, to adapt to the trends and forces shaping our markets and impacting our shareholders. Operational challenges of supply chains, availability of materials, non-availability of personnel impacted the organization in an unprecedented manner. The company focused on people's health and safety, business continuity, albeit in a limited manner, focusing on preserving liquidity, cost optimization, and thereby protecting our business model. Your company commenced its manufacturing operations in a phased manner, starting April 20th, in line with the directives from the central authorities. The company and the said financial year continuously evaluated impact of this pandemic on the business operations, liquidity, recoverability, values of its assets, and based on management reviews, took appropriate measures with respect to its operations at each point. At an operational level, the company's standalone operations were much better than the previous years due to recognition of revenues from the project Vicini, an improvement in overall operations of the company in spite of the COVID-19 situation. In view of the losses suffered mainly due to impairment by the company during 2021, the Board of Directors regrets its inability to declare a dividend. Your company's standalone financial results for June quarter were announced on August 13th, and I'm sure you would have spared some time. The Directors' report sets out detailed analysis of the results of operations, financial condition, opportunities, and plans ahead. I therefore do not intend to repeat these here. However, I would like to specifically mention that there are some strong and positive factors as well, which will have long-term impact on our operations and profitability. The Precision Tools Group had a remarkable recovery after a complete washout of the first quarter because of COVID-19, coupled with challenges in the supply chain and shortages of raw materials and increased prices. We took this opportunity to build internal capabilities, rationalize cost structures, reduce fixed costs, improve productivity, multi-skilling workmen, and approach new customers and new segments such as medical, die mold, mining, and foundry segments. The company's flagship products, high-speed taps, since the relaxation of the lockdown in July 2020, saw a good demand in the domestic market despite market challenges. The industrial automation business had challenging times since most original equipment manufacturers put the CapEx project on hold because of COVID-19 pandemic. We successfully executed 2 large gearbox assembly line projects. OEM started releasing CapEx towards the end of the financial year, which also started reflecting in the order. We are presently focusing to establish a presence, and it will then ensure that it uses its core competencies to take up projects for better efficiencies and margins. In Project Vicini, our company had particularly faced challenges. Its real estate development project of COVID-19 expedited the migration of people back to their home outside Mumbai. The availability of labor resources for the project was affected. Execution substantially has set the wheels back for a substantial time. There was a financial impact on the project due to delays which were beyond the control of the operational team. Phase 2 is likely to be completed by June 2022. I would like to now update you on the subsidiaries performance. Eureka Forbes, the year 2021 has been a challenging one. The most other businesses, EFL had to cope up with retail shutdown, operational challenges due to the restricted movement, and disrupted supply lines during the pandemic. COVID-19 has strengthened our resolve to safeguard the health and safety well-being and be a true friend for life to our customers. EFL launched various new products and a resilient product portfolio which straddles across the pricing pyramid. I would like to give you a note on the scheme of arrangement for Eureka Forbes as we had spoken earlier. The Board of Directors had approved a composite scheme of arrangement for Inter Allianz merger of Aquagenesis Technologies Private Limited and Eureka Forbes Financial Services Limited, presently owned subsidiary of Eureka Forbes, into Eureka Forbes Limited, and amalgamation and vesting of Eureka Forbes Limited into the company, followed by demerger and vesting of demerged undertaking as defined in that scheme of the company into Forbes Enviro Solutions Limited on a going concern basis would take place. Upon the entire scheme becoming effective, the name of Forbes Enviro Solutions Limited shall be changed to Eureka Forbes Limited. The company has received approval of the BSE Limited and the matter is now with the NCLT Mumbai bench. The matter was heard by NCLT and the company is awaiting pronouncement of order for necessary directions from NCLT. Going on to shipping, the shipping SPFSL currently owns 2 specialized chemical tankers with a total DWT of 34,000 metric tons, having sold 3 marine line coated vessels during the year. The geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, which started in 2019-20, causing uncertainty around the safety of sailing vessels in the Arabian Gulf, continued in 2021. SPFSL continued to pay increased war risk premiums on account of the same. This severely impacted the trade in and around the region. Forbes Technosys Limited. The year under review has been quite challenging under FPL, just like most organizations across the world. The company had a limited pipeline of orders entering into financial year 21, but the COVID-related lockdown restrictions hampered FPL's ability to execute major orders. Despite the adverse business, FPL continued to focus on key strategic objectives such as product innovation, market competitiveness, and customer service. Assets of the Swadeshi Milk Company Limited. The assets of Swadeshi Milk continue to be in the hands of the official liquidator, High Court, Mumbai. The company is exploring options available. As I conclude, may I have, on the behalf of your board of directors and employees of your company, once again, thank you for all your continued support and encouragement.
I now request the moderator to call the names of the speaker shareholders who will enter their meeting.
Thank you so much, sir. We would like to go ahead with the questions that we have from the registered speaker shareholders. And we would like to start with our very first speaker shareholder. We have Celestine Elizabeth Mascarenhas. Ma'am, you have been unmuted and you can go ahead with the question with your video turned on. And we would request all of our speaker shareholders to stick to the time limit of 3 minutes.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you. We can hear you.
Good evening. Happy to see you virtually. Very, very happy. Huh?
Thank you.
Well, last 2 years we can't see you and we leave aside at least virtually now. We are lucky. I am lucky. I can say I'm lucky to see you virtually. If it was actual, I would have greeted you because now we are 102 years. Even before I was born, this company was there. Good. Now I go with my formal thing. Chairman, Mr. Shapurji Palanji, all other honorable directors, my fellow shareholders who are in this virtual meet. I am Mrs. C. Mascarenhas. I am attending from Mumbai. First of all, I thank the company secretary, Mr. Pankaj K. Khattar and his team, especially I think Pradhan, who has sent me an e-annual report and notice. I would have been very happy if I would get one physical report because with the age, eyes are watering to read this online. Anyway, I did my little homework, whatever way I could do. Also registering me as a speaker at my request and also giving me this platform to speak. Thank you. Thanks to all of them. Now the annual report, good and informative, self-explanatory and adhering to all the corporate norms. Now in the report, revenue is up, but PBT, PAT are negative. EPS is also negative. So no dividend. Of course, sir, you will say COVID, thanks to COVID. But we have got a lot of loss. When we'll come out from this loss? But there is a ray of hope, sir. I'm very happy. Our market cap is very good. Today only I just opened and said, let me see this great Shapurji's child, how much it is, 4,000 plus 4 digit. It is great. So I think, sir, you are going the Warren Buffett way. Sir, you are trying to become Berkshire Hathaway. Keep it up. I don't mind. The valuation goes increasing. See, okay, there are some shares for dividend. Some are for rise in valuation. That's good. So we wish all in everything. Either left hand, right hand, it's okay. Nah? That's good. Now, next I congratulate whatever awards and accolades are there. I won't name because you will tell me time constraint. Also, I appreciate the CSR work, especially in the time of COVID, especially attending to migrants, have-nots and the poor. That's good. And that will always bless us in the long run. Now, I come with my queries. Sir, I would like to know how many employees suffered from COVID, recovery, fatalities, and the vaccination level. So I would like to know what is the percentage of the employees who are working from home and thereby how much saving is made. Number one, traveling saving and this e-meeting saving and postages and all that saving and annual report also saving. So please, can you give me some figure there, Number two, our subsidiary has multi-products portfolio offering water purification, vacuum cleaners, air purification, transport of chemicals. So what is our market share? In which of these verticals we have the biggest market share and the margin level? Third is milling solutions for aerospace and defense India aerospace components. So how many orders we have received in the last 3 months? Because now the aerospace like drones and all for transporting vaccines and all is going on. So how many sort of, you could throw some light, I don't know.
You've been more than 15 minutes now, huh? Please, we've got lots of questions. Please, can you please hurry?
Number 4, Bradma magnetic drilling machines. Please throw light on that. Even Totem high performance cutting tools. I will not expand it. I would go next one is throw some light on the Vicinia project. How many units sold and how many are there to be selling? Of course, shipping I will not ask because you told me that. But I come with one. Can we not go for semiconductor? We are in so many of these industrial things. Sir, could you give some light whether we can go into semiconductor chips, which is so much required, demand is there and PLI benefit will get. So this is my suggestion, sir. If you can do this suggestion, I would be very grateful because we will be a great, and next year I'll see double market capitalization if we start with something like semiconductor. Rest, I ask for the future roadmap for the next 3 years with CapEx and with the COVID protocol and learnings we got from this COVID. With this, I support all the resolutions. I wish our company all the best. Sir, you hear me? I wish the company all the best. Thank you so much. I mean, you should be very...
I'm listening to you, Ms. Mascarenhas. I was just saying that your advice on semiconductors is very good advice, but it is of $2 billion. So you please get for me 15,000 crores and I will immediately go into that business. Okay.
And that is my wish only. No, I don't know. I am not an entrepreneur, sir. I can only wish many things.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. I'll answer at the end. Okay.
Thank you
please.
so much, Ma'am Celestine. We would request all of the speakers to please take a note that the time that we have for the questions is only 3 minutes per speaker. Else we would unfortunately we will have to unmute you once the time is up. Okay, so going ahead with our next speaker with the question, we have Mr. Adil Irani. Sir, we have unmuted you and you can go ahead with your video turned on, please.
Yeah, why have you? Okay. Thank you for allowing me to speak. As mentioned, my name is Adil Pollard Irani. I normally don't question what takes place before 30th of March. That is history. And I mean, it's my company. It's 102 AGM. Basically, it is it is the oldest company, registered company in India, and one of the oldest company in the world, started by John Forbes of Aberdeen, Scotland. And thank you, Mr. Fair and Lovely, Mr. Shapur, handsome. I mean, handsome, fair and lovely. I mean, I'll put it that way. And that is it basically. I mean, I will set an example, and all the good things that was said by the previous lady shareholder. Of course, she was a lady, so I mean, I have to keep quiet. I mean, because the ladies always, they have to have they keep speaking and speaking and speaking. That is how God has made them. So, and you keep listening. And
thank you.
Oldest and the oldest in the world, and John, and thank you. I mean, we are actually looking forward to your, having the IPO for your Forbes water filter. What do you call? I mean, water filter and vacuum cleaner, basically. And thank you very much that the share has gone to 4,031 rupees today.
Thank you, Adil.
Yes, and I would like to see your, sir, now everything is becoming younger. So when are you putting your son on the board? Basically, he should come now. I mean, it's a young world. So let the young people come in. Not that I want you to go away, but you should let them come. Okay, sir.
Thank you
All
very
the
much.
best.
Thank you for your kind words. Really appreciate. Thank you very much, Adil.
It's a family company. Don't worry. Thank you.
Thank you. Shobna Mehta, please.
Hello, can you hear me?
हाँ जी शोभना, समझा इस बतू।
हाँ सापुर जी कैसे हैं आप?
बस बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक।
हाँ रिस्पेक्ट फाइन ना। हाँ थैंक यू। रिस्पेक्टेड चेयरमैन श्री सापुर जी, अन्य मेरे जाने माने डायरेक्टर भाइयों और शेयर होल्डर भाई बहन, मेरा नाम शोभना मेहता। सर मैं सूरत अपने रेसिडेंस से बोल रही हूँ। गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। सर कोविड-19 की वजह से इस साल भी आज हम वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिस के थ्रू एजीएम कर रहे हैं। सो कहूंगी जो बात आप में है आपकी तस्वीर में नहीं, आप सबसे मिलना बातें करना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है। एनीवे इस साल कोविड की वजह से हम नहीं मिल पाए, लेकिन नेक्स्ट ईयर भगवान ने चाहा तो कोविड खत्म होगा और फेस टू फेस हम जरूर मिलेंगे। आपने 3 मिनट दी है इसलिए फटाफट बोलना पड़ेगा। और कहूंगी सर आज की ये मीटिंग में जुड़ने के लिए मैं प्रधान जी को धन्यवाद देती हूँ। मेरी तो आंख लग गई थी, हालांकि उन्होंने मुझे नहीं देखा तो इमीडिएट फोन किया। आप बातें कर रहे हो, मुझे सुन भी रहे हो क्या सापुर जी?
हाँ जी हम समझ रहे हैं।
हाँ सुन रहे हो ना। एनीवे तो सर ईमेल के थ्रू बैलेंस शीट मिली इन टाइम, नोटिस एंड बैलेंस शीट। सो मैं हमारे सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट को धन्यवाद देती हूँ और कहूंगी कि आपने बैलेंस शीट वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव एंड ट्रांसपेरेंट बनाई है। सो मैं हमारे कंपनी सेक्रेटरी एंड उनकी पूरी टीम को धन्यवाद देते हुए कहूंगी वेरी वेल डन, वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप। सर रिजल्ट देखे, हालांकि रिजल्ट थोड़े पुअर आए हैं, बट एनीवे बिजनेस में अप्स एंड डाउन्स तो कभी खुशी कभी गम की तरह आते जाते रहते हैं, लेकिन आप मायूस ना हो, भगवान ने चाहा तो सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा। और कहते हैं ना हिम्मत से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, हिम्मत करने वालों की कहीं कभी हार नहीं होती। ये अच्छी बात है कि 100 ईयर पुरानी कंपनी अभी भी आप चला रहे हो। 102 ईयर्स सेकंड एजीएम है, तो सेलिब्रेशन के बारे में कुछ बताइए। डिविडेंड नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, वैसे भी डिविडेंड टैक्स तो शेयर होल्डर के ऊपर ही था, तो इतना कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता आपने डिविडेंड दिया नहीं दिया, लेकिन सेलिब्रेशन 100 ईयर्स का जरूर करिए, कुछ मोमेंटो वगैरह रखिए शेयर होल्डर के लिए। और इसी के साथ में सर जो क्वेरीज आ गई है, जैसे वो मस्क्रीनस ने पूछा कि कितने अमाउंट सेव किए, क्योंकि इस साल भी बैलेंस शीट प्रिंटिंग, पोस्टिंग, हॉल बुकिंग, रिफ्रेशमेंट वगैरह एक्सपेंसेस नहीं हुए हैं, तो बताने की कृपा करें कि आपने कितने अमाउंट सेव किए और इसके एक्सपेंसेस कितने हुए ई मीटिंग के, जरा हो सके तो बता दीजिए। और सर इसी के साथ में ज्यादा ना बोलते हुए कहूंगी कि मुझे आप पर, आपकी एंटायर टीम पर पूरा फेथ है कि आप जो भी करोगे वो कंपनी और शेयर होल्डर के हित में ही होगा। इसी के साथ में आज आपने जो रेजोल्यूशन रखा है वो सभी में मैं फुल्ली सपोर्ट करते हुए कंपनी के लिए शुभकामनाएं करती हूँ। हमारी कंपनी दिन दोगुनी रात चौगुनी तरक्की करती रहे, ताकि आप हमें ईयर बाय ईयर बेटर परफॉर्मेंस के साथ नेक्स्ट ईयर डिविडेंड भी दे पाए। और सर जाते जाते आने वाले सभी त्योहारों की भी शुभकामनाएं देते हुए कहूंगी, फूलों की खुशबू, कलियों की बहार, चांद की चांदनी, अपनों का प्यार, मुबारक हो आप सबको। आने वाले सभी त्योहार मेरी गुड विशेष हमेशा आपके साथ थी, है और रहेगी। और आज भी जाते जाते गुड विशेष देते हुए कहूंगी, डे बाय डे आपकी खुशियां हो जाए डबल, आपकी जिंदगी से दूर रहे है ट्रबल, भगवान आप सबको रखे बिल्कुल फिट, अब आपकी कंपनी में और आपकी जिंदगी में आने वाले हर दिन हो सुपरहिट। यही शुभकामना के साथ मेरे आगे अदिल जी ने कहा कि आपके बेटे को ले आइए, बेटे को जरूर ले आइए, लेकिन आप अभी रिटायर मत होइए, क्योंकि आप तो अभी भी यंग एंड हैंडसम नजर आ रहे हो। सो ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द फ्यूचर सक्सेस। We wish you all the best for the future success to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Shobna ji. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Humayun,
We
this
have
is
a lot of
Humayun
pieces.
Purdehi.
Yeah, next we have Mrs. Humayun Pordehi. Ma'am, you have
Hello, can you hear me, Mr. Shapurji? Can you hear me?
हाँ जी।
Hello?
हाँ,
Thank you. So we really miss you. We used to come every year, physical AGMs, meet your son. Last time we had even clicked, before that year, we had even clicked photograph with him and we had wished him all the best. Looking forward to him being the director. Okay, so it's okay. So now next year, we hope he's doing very well. Please send him our regards. Next year, we hope to meet you all and all the board members also. So I will not going to take for more than 3 minutes. Once, how many of our activities come under essential services? Because then we are allowed to operate full full capacity, and even the employees are working to full capacity if they're under essential services. So, and regarding your bank machines, passbook printing, so do you know, it is during COVID times, of course, they were not working. We used to go to print our passbook, you know, at this here, Kalba Devi, Union Bank. It was first Vijaya Bank. It was not working. The machines are never working. So I don't know who is at fault. Of course, they might not be calling you. So just keep that in mind. Bank machines should work so that, you know, we can do a passbook printing. So, and regarding supply chain also, we want to know. So what challenges you faced during COVID times, during lockdown, regarding supply chain? So just a few more questions. And regarding dividend is okay, sir. As long as a market cap, there should be no complaint. Nobody has a loss then in that case. So regarding the scheme of arrangement, which you mentioned just now, so just can you throw more light on that? How will it benefit us? We want to know. You know, you always do the best for us shareholders also. We know that. So, and please send the regards to your papa. When we used to come in the past, he would always be there. It was a pleasure to see him. So that's all. But that's all. And I'm very sentimental. We are very sentimental about your company, sir. It's, you know that. And we wish our company all the best. And you also. That's all. I'm closing here.
Thank you so much.
Great,
Thank you for some kind words. Thank you, Ji. Mr. Yusuf Rangwala, please.
Yeah, good afternoon, good evening, sir. Sir, I am speaking from Mumbai, sir. Sir, I am speaking Mumbai, sir. I am first. This is 102 years, sir. Sapur ji, sir, आपको सर बहुत यस सर, आपका जो पारसी न्यू ईयर गया सर, उस टाइम के लिए आपको विश नहीं कर सका. पहले तो आपको सर विश करता हूँ आपके जो पारसी न्यू ईयर गई सर. अभी मैं डायरेक्ट पॉइंट आई विल कम डायरेक्टली पॉइंट सर. अपना सर अंधेरी में सर आपने 4 साल पहले हमको विजिट कराया था. आपका 4 बिल्डिंग है सर. उसमें से कितना बिल्डिंग रेडी है एट प्रेजेंट सर, जानना चाहता हूँ. उसमें कितना बिल्डिंग रेडी है सर अपने अंधेरी में. और आपका सर इतना सर वी आर वेरी गुड सर्विसेज आप देते हो. और अपने पंकज खत्री सर जो अपने सेक्रेटरी है सर, उनको बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ सर. उनकी सर्विस जो लाजवाब है सर. आज भी उनका फोन आया था, कल भी उनका फोन आया था. वेरी ज्वाइनिंग सर. मैं एक छोटा सा नाराजगी सर कि अपना एटीएम सर यूनियन बैंक में अपना एटीएम मशीन अपना ही है सर. जब भी आप जाओ तो सर वो मशीन बंद रहता है. तो फोरगोप वाले को सर मेरा नंबर रिक्वेस्ट है कि सर हो सके तो उन्हें सर कुछ सर्विस बराबर दीजिए सर. तो हमें सर पासबुक की बहुत दिक्कत होती है सर, क्योंकि फोरगोप का दूसरे
यूसुफ भाई हमारे एटीएम नहीं हो सकता है. हमारा एटीएम नहीं है. हमारा कोई किसी और का होगा, मे बी सम अदर कियोस्क.
अच्छी बात है सर. अच्छा सर, दूसरी बात जानना चाहिए अपना बोर्ड सर अपना है सर. मैं जानना चाहता था
नहीं सुन सकता मिस्टर रंगवाला.
हाँ सर, मैं ये सर हाँ
सुन नहीं सकता.
हाँ सर, दूसरी एक बात मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ कि आप अपने बोर्ड पे अपने डायनेमिक सन, आप नेक्स्ट ईयर सर जब आए तो आप सन को भी आपके साथ में लेके आए सर. आपका सन होना मतलब सर आपके बोर्ड पे रहेगा तो उनके 2 जन की गाइडेंस में सर ये कंपनी अपने डिविडेंड नहीं दिया सर. मैं जानता हूँ कि कोविड-19 के हिसाब से आई एम सपोर्टिंग यू सर. Nothing more to it, sir. I thank sir, and nothing more to it, sir. I thank our company for giving me a link. Thank you very much. Have a good day, sir. We also miss your physical, sir. दिवाली के बाद एक गेट टुगेदर रखिए सर. आपसे मिलना चाहते हैं सर, गेट टुगेदर. Thank you very much. खुदा हाफिज सर.
खुदा.
Thank you very much.
Next we have Mr. Shatrughan Rane.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. My name is Shatrughan Rane. At the outset, I would like to congratulate the Forbes and Company management team for the commendable performance during these difficult times. As I see from the annual report, in these times of COVID starting 2020, the engineering division has shown a remarkable improvement of around 30 crores over the previous year, and the total loss of rupees 20 crores in the previous is now at a profit of 123 crores, which includes real estate. The standalone performance has been stellar and would have been all the time best, but for the extraordinary items on account of impairment of investment in subsidiaries. We hope we will see this uptrend in the future. I wish good luck to the company and its management. All the best for the future. Thank you from my side.
Thank you very much, Mr. Rane. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Mr. Bimal Kumar Agarwal, please.
Hello.
हाँ जी.
Hello.
हाँ जी, बोलो जी.
Good evening to everyone. First of all, I'll thank the company secretary and his team. And I want to know what is our land bank? It's a 102 years old company, maybe having a very good property at that or the property might have been bought at throwaway price. And why a dividend is not being declared? And 4,000 rupees, no dividend. And they're saying market is near touching 60,000. And they're saying pandemic from 25,000 to 60,000 within 1 year. Market has gone terrible. I have not seen like that market jumping. And share also have gone up, and from 5,000 it had dropped to 700 rupees. Again now it had given a rise. That's good. Thank you very much from me.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Next, Mr. Gautam Tiwari, please.
Sir, can you listen me, sir? Shapur ji?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
सर पहचाना सर आपने सर, आप कैसे हैं सर?
बस बिल्कुल ठीक. आप कैसे हैं?
हाँ, so nice to see you, sir. So nice to see you. Probably you can see me also.
Now I can see you. Yes, thank you.
So nice to see you, sir. हम आपका कैसे स्वागत करें समझ में सर. सबने कहा कि आप अपने लड़के को लाइए, लेकिन आप अभी भी यंग है नहीं, आप अभी यंग ही हैं. This is the right sentence for you. हम आपके बिना इस कंपनी को सोच भी नहीं सकते, कंपनी के बारे में, फोर्ब्स के बारे में. तो लड़के को जरूर लाइए, लेकिन आपके बिना तो सब कुछ अधूरा अधूरा ही रहेगा. इसके लिए आपकी सबसे पहले जरूरत है यहाँ पे, उसके बाद में सभी चीजों की जरूरत है सर. So to start with, sir, a very good afternoon. Rather, it has become now good evening. It is becoming, sir, to my very popular and very next to heart our sir. Sir, you are very much dear and near to our hearts, sir. And a very good evening to all our dignified board of directors, our team of Forbes company, and my fellow shareholders. My name is Gautam Tiwari pronounced. Sir, I am with your company since long time. आप जरूर अपने पापा जी को भी हमारे बेस्ट रिगार्ड्स और संवेदनाएं दीजिएगा सर. CM sir, I would like to specially thank our MD, CEO, CFO, CS, full secretarial and IR and financial team along with entire board of management for delivering so nice results, sir. Classic results despite COVID pandemic around the world. Chairman sir, annual report हमने देखी, बहुत ही transparent, informative, well designed है, complying with all norms of corporate governance, and we have received it well in advance. बहुत ही अच्छी balance sheet, robust और strong है हमारी, and lot of efforts must have been taken in preparation for preparing such an elaborate balance sheet, sir. Sir, investor care, investor service, हमारे सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट की स्पेशली पंकज खट्टर जी की लाजवाब है सर. He comes under top 10 company executives since last 8 years, since the time he had joined the company. We have been seeing and observing and experiencing that. I really very much for selecting such a nice person. Even प्रधान जी की भी इन्वेस्टर सर्विस बहुत अच्छी है, NSDL और सिस्को वेबेक्स की सर्विस बहुत अच्छी है. आपने जिनको सिलेक्ट किया, चुना है, वो सारे के सारे हीरा हैं, हीरा हमारी कंपनी के लिए, और उनकी सर्विसेज इतनी अच्छी है कि अपने आप में ही वो सब कुछ कहानी कहती है सर. सर, I am very much glad to note, sir, first of all, कि हमारे रियल एस्टेट बिजनेस ने 123 करोड़ का प्रॉफिट किया सर, और इंजीनियरिंग बिजनेस से भी 30 करोड़ का प्रॉफिट किया डिस्पाइट ड्रेडेड कोविड पैंडेमिक अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड, अक्रॉस द ग्लोब, एंड डिस्पाइट सो मेनी लॉकडाउन हम लोगों ने इतना प्रॉफिट करके बिताया. दिस मीन्स वी हैव गॉट ए वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग पोटेंशियल along with us and many more potential we have got still to come out from our side. Sir, I support all the resolutions, especially the second resolution for reappointment of our popular company secretary Shapur ji sir आपके लिए. Or I have already voted in favor of all the resolutions, all the 3 numbers of resolutions, and I also support all appointments and reappointments of directors. And sir, एक छोटी सी कुछ queries हैं sir. If at all I can get the answers now, or otherwise by email also, you can give me those answers. Sir,
Okay,
how much dividend shares? Sir, how much dividend and shares we have transferred to Investor Protection Fund and IEPF restricted during the year under consideration? Sir, how many plants of ours, our company are operational partly or fully as it stands now, as now? Sir, हमारे total affected employees, casual, हमारे जो already fatalities हुई उनको तो हमने condolence प्रदान कर दिया, लेकिन active cases आज हमारी कितनी और recovered cases कितनी और हमारा vaccination status employees और staff का कितना है? If at all we know, we'll be happy to know, sir. सर हाँ, अभी सर एक और बात कि हम लोगों ने काफी सेविंग तो कर ली बिकॉज ऑफ वर्चुअल मीटिंग. आपको फिट और फाइन देख के हम निहाल हो गए, खुश हो गए और बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. और सर उसके बाद में कंपेयर टू फिजिकल एजीएम और हमारे 102 साल हो गए हैं, तो वी वुड रियली बी वेरी ग्लैड सर आप 100 साल का कोई सेलिब्रेशन करें, क्योंकि एक ही बार ये 100 साल का जिम्मा हम लोगों को मिलता है. उसके अंदर में वी विल बी वेरी हैप्पी इफ एट ऑल वी.
I'm extremely sorry to interrupt, but we are running short on time and we can give only 3 minutes per speaker shareholder. If you have any further questions, we would love to have them on our email and we can, the board of directors can definitely respond to you accordingly. Going ahead with our next speaker, we have Mr. Dinesh Bhatia. Yes, sir, can we have you with our video turn on, please?
सर, मेरा आवाज सुनाई देता है सर?
हाँ जी सर. हाँ.
फर्स्ट तो चेयरमैन श्री में आपको और आपका टीम को कांग्रेचुलेशन कहूंगा कि ऐसा पेंडेमिक पीरियड में भी हमारा आप और आपकी टीम की जो मेहनत है वो दिखा रही है कि हम अच्छा रेवेन्यू, भले लास्ट ईयर से थोड़ा कम रेवेन्यू है, स्टैंडअलोन में कम है, लेकिन कंसोलिडेटेड में हमारा जो रेवेन्यू है लास्ट ईयर से थोड़ा बड़ा है, वो एक अच्छी बात है. इसमें भी हम देखते हैं कि रियल्टी बिजनेस जो है बहुत अच्छा बिजनेस, अच्छा अर्निंग किया है. लास्ट ईयर खाली 19 करोड़ का 19.54 करोड़ का रेवेन्यू था, जिसके सामने ये साल को हमारा 403 करोड़ का रेवेन्यू है. वो एक बहुत अच्छी साइनिंग है कि, और हम देख रहे हैं कि हमारा जो भाव जो है मार्केट में, शेयर मार्केट में प्राइस है हमारा 10 रुपये का शेयर 4053 में कोट हो रहा है. वो एक अच्छी साइनिंग और सर्व इन्वेस्टर को हमारी कंपनी के ऊपर भरोसा है कि कुछ आगे प्रगति करने वाली है हमारी कंपनी, जो दिखा रहा है. तो उसके लिए भी मैं आपको, आपकी टीम को कांग्रेस कहता हूँ. सर मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है आपको. सर आप सुन रहे हैं सर? सर आपका ध्यान मेरी तरफ नहीं है सर. सर मैं आपको एक खास मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, हमारी कंपनी को आज 102 साल हुए, 100 साल हो गए, उसको दो साल और बढ़ गए. हमने जो सेंचुरी नहीं मनाई, तो हम सेंचुरी, अगर आप क्या है हमारा शेयर को स्प्लिट कर दीजिए. 10 रुपये का शेयर जो है हमारा, वो आप 2 रुपये का कर दीजिए, तो हमें एक शेयर का 5 शेयर बन जाएगा. अगर 5 शेयर बनेगा तो भी हम खातरी से कहता है कि हमारा भाव जो है काफी एप्रिशिएट होएगा, मार्केट में लिक्विडिटी बढ़ेगा. तो बस मेरी खास आपको और आपकी आखी टीम जो बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर जो है सब अभी आए हुए, तो उनको सबको मैं आप भलामन रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि हो सके तो क्या हमारा शेयर को 2 रुपये में विभाजन कर दीजिए, जिससे क्या है कि शेयर की संख्या बढ़ेगी, हमारी कोई बैलेंस शीट में फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, लेकिन क्या है मार्केट में लिक्विडिटी बढ़ेगी और अच्छा भाव भी आएगा, वापस अच्छा हो जाएगा. तो बाकी तो हर एक चीज में आप और आपकी फाइनेंस टीम ने बहुत बढ़िया काम किया है. जो डेप्ट कम किया है, जो लॉन्ग टर्म डेप्ट है, शॉर्ट टर्म डेप्ट है, दोनों डेप्ट कम किया है. जो लास्ट ईयर 343 करोड़ था लॉन्ग टर्म डेप्ट, वो 244 करोड़, माने 100 करोड़ डेप्ट कम किया है. और शॉर्ट टर्म में भी जो हमारा जो है डेप्ट वो 444 करोड़ था, जिसका नेट 383 करोड़ 60 करोड़ आपने जो हमारा जो कर्जा जो मैं थैंक यू करता हूँ कि बहुत अच्छा कंजर्वेशन किया है और ऐसे ही हमारी आगे बढ़ती रहे, ऐसी हमारी उम्मीद है। और मैं हर एक रिजोल्यूशन में सपोर्ट देता हूँ और आपका सेक्रेटरी टीम है, उन्होंने जो हमें ज्वाइन करने के लिए और रिफ्रेश करने के लिए जो उसके लिए उसको भी मैं थैंक करता हूँ कि बहुत आपकी सेक्रेटरी टीम भी बहुत बढ़िया है, जो सेक्रेटरी का कीमत करती है। तो अच्छी बात है, आप तो कीमत करते हैं हमारा शेयर होल्डर का, लेकिन आपका सेक्रेटरी टीम भी अच्छी है, तो उसके लिए मैं उनको भी थैंक्स करता हूँ। और आगे ज्यादा कुछ ना बोलते हुए बस ये स्प्लिट का
Thank you very much, Vinay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, next, Mr. Samwani, please.
Hi, am I audible?
Yes.
Hi, thanks for giving me the opportunity to ask the questions. My first question is on the demerger timeline. I'm aware that we've got the approvals from the exchanges and we have filed in the NCLT. So when can we expect the equity and creditors meeting? So if you can update on that, that's number one. Number two, in Eureka Forbes, there are various segments: water purifier, cleaning, air purifier, etc. So if we could give a revenue breakup as per the segment and how much market share do we have, that would be second. And third is that there are various media articles about the stake sale in Eureka Forbes. So wanted to know if we are currently in talks with any PE funds or any other players for the same. That would be number three. And number four would be in Forbes and Company. How much land bank do we own currently? So yeah, that would be my question.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Samwani. Mr. Kapoor, please.
Yeah, sir. Thank you. I am audible to you, sir?
Yes, yes.
Good evening, sir, and thank you for this opportunity. Just a second, I'll just switch on the video also. Now I would be visible to you also, sir.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Yeah, definitely, sir. Sir, firstly, sir, as my earlier speaker articulated about this story brewing up about some sale in the Eureka Forbes segment of the company. So please throw some light. Where are we, sir, in terms of any monetization that we are looking forward? And sir, also please explain, sir, I missed the part of the demerger that is going to happen. What would be the number of shares that will be provided to the existing shareholders, and what assets and liabilities would be transferred to the existing company, and Forbes and Company would remain listed? Please explain the nitty-gritty, or I can get the details later on also if somebody could be authorized to speak to me on this front later also. So what is the net debt at the consolidated level, sir, as on 30th June? And so what steps are we taking to in the annual to deliver the same, sir? So we have various different verticals that constitute the business segment of the companies, and there are various factors that affect the performance of each of them. And looking at the annual report also, sir, we have you have tried to explain them in details, but sir, when the quarterly numbers are announced, there are not separate releases or conference calls for investors. So through this channel, sir, I would request the board to look into the merit of conference calls also for your investors and analyst community at large, so that we can participate in the growth story of the company going forward. Sir, you also please let us know about how are the key subsidiaries going to perform in the current year. Sir, what steps are we taking up to bring the company back in the right orbit of delivering consistent profits going forward? And also, sir, on the real estate part, where are we in terms of the Vicinia project? I think so phase 2 is now commissioned. So if some more light could be thrown on it, sir, due to the paucity of time, sir, it is not feasible also and not correct on my part to keep on speaking. So if a medium could be opened, sir, wherein shareholders like me would share and share our observation and get the right feedback from the team. So please take note of my request, sir, so that going forward we get an opportunity to have a better understanding on the number. Please explain the demerger part of the story as well as the monetization of the Eureka company, sir. Thank you, sir, for
Thank you for your pertinent questions. Thank you. Mr. Dinesh Kotecha, please.
Yes. Sir, can you see me? Am I visible by video? Sir, start my video.
No.
Okay. Good evening to all of you. First of all, I'd be since the 3 minutes are given. First of all, I would join to pay the respectful homage to Mr. KC Mehra on his passing away, sir. On behalf of shareholders, please note down that also in the minutes. So, secondly. So many things have been explained, but I would like to know the first 5 months. Share your experience of the hurdles crossed in the journey so far in the first 5 months, April to August, and what are the matters of substance which we have done to reduce losses or increase profits. Thirdly, Swadeshi Mill, you said you are exploring some options. Please specify what are the options which you are exploring for Swadeshi Mills. Fourthly, Sapurji Palanji Forbes Shipping Limited, we have sold 3 ships. And since the shipping outlook is robust and the shipping industry is doing good, I mean, what type of shipping activities are we going to undertake now to earn profits? Your BSR report from page 40 to 57 is excellent, all comprehensive, good narrative about the company. Sir, page 67, you have given properties in Delhi, Ahmedabad, Thane, Bangalore, Chennai, Tuticorin, and everywhere. All the properties list is mentioned, but please give the year when it was constructed or when it was acquired to know the age of the buildings, because we are not able to know the age of the buildings. Page 70 to 71, I mean, I am very impressed with the balance sheet, sir. You have reduced the capital employed from 854 crores to 528 crores. Fantastic reduction of 335 crores. And secondly, the incremental profit ratio has improved to infinity, because there is profit compared to last year and the balance sheet size has gone down. So that is fantastic. And because of the deferred taxes of 40 crores, we are incurring a loss. So this deferred expenses again is coming up in the first quarter also. So how are you going to deal with it? Sir, can you give the cost of the investments on page 91, 92? Investment is mentioned, fair market value is mentioned, but the cost is not mentioned. The last line should be mentioned as the cost of the investment, because your profits or gains which you book in the profit and loss is based on the cost. And if we don't know the cost, how can we, justify that? So the cost must be mentioned, though SEBI does not require it to be given. Also, I would like to have the list of top 10 individual shareholders, non-institutional, non-promoters, list of that top 10 shareholders I would like to have, sir. Other than that, since if I speak more about the company.
Thank you, Dinesh. Thank you very much.
No, sir, I should be given time, sir, to speak, because I am speaking about the balance sheet and speaking very fast. You may not be able to note down also. I can speak that fast. You know, the point is that we would like to know basically the earlier speakers have asked questions about real estate, about your 1 year has passed since we have passed the resolution on 28/9/2020 for the demerger and merger. I mean, 1 year has passed and a timeline is required to be given. What is the timeline now? Since things are becoming very normal and NCLT courts are also opening up, we would like to know the timeline. Thank you and wish you all the best.
Thank you. Mr. Hariram Chowdhury, please.
Mr. Hariram couldn't make it to the event, so we would like to go ahead with our next speaker shareholder. We have Mr. Bharat Shah.
Please.
हेलो हेलो
हाँ जी go ahead.
हाँ सर, मैं स्मिता शाह बात कर रही हूँ. मेरे बात सर भरत शाह बात करेंगे, तो चालू रखिए बाद में सर क्योंकि सर हमारा थोड़ा टेक्निकल इश्यू के कारण हम दोनों में एक से ही बात करेंगे सर, तो सो सॉरी सर. माननीय चेयरमैन सर श्री सापुर जी और अन्य माननीय डायरेक्टर्स, सर मेरा नाम स्मिता शाह. सर पहले तो मैं आज आपको अभिनंदन देना चाहूंगी, क्योंकि आज आपकी जो 102 की एजीएम के लिए मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहूंगी कि आज आपने 100 साल पूरे कर ऊपर 2 साल भी कंप्लीट किए, और आज आपने इतनी पुरानी सालों की कंपनी को कठिन परिस्थिति में भी संभाल कर रखी है. बाकी तो चढ़ा उतार तो आते जाते रहते हैं, लेकिन आपने हमेशा हिम्मत से कंपनी संभाली है, सो वही सराहना जैसी बात है. सो सर आपने हमेशा शेयर होल्डर को रिस्पेक्ट किया है, सो हमें विश्वास है कि आप फ्यूचर्स में जरूर कंपनी को चौगुनी तरक्की के साथ ऊपर लाकर चौगुनी सफलता प्राप्त करोगे और बहुत अच्छे से डिविडेंड भी दे पाओगे। सो मेरी ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करते हुए मेरी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं आपके साथ है। और सर आपके आगे के फ्यूचर्स प्लान क्या है जरूर बताएं। और मेरे आगे कई प्रीवियस स्पीकर ने भी बोला कि वैसे आप 100 साल की जो सेंचुरी का गेट टुगेदर दीपावली के बाद जरूर रखें। सो मैं भी वही कहना चाहूंगी कि आप जरूर गेट टुगेदर रखें ताकि उस बहाने रूबरू मिलना का मौका मिले। और आशा के साथ कहूंगी कि नेक्स्ट ईयर की एजीएम भी फिजिकल हुई होवे, ये मेरी ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करते हुए आपको भी रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ। और बाकी तो सर हम भी हमेशा आपका साथ देना चाहते हैं। सो मेरा आज के रिजोल्यूशन में मैं फुल्ली सपोर्ट करती हूँ। और सर ये वीसी में बहुत सेकंड टाइम क्या वीसी हो रहा है, लेकिन बहुत काफी सारी दिक्कत आती है, टेक्निकल इश्यूज। लेकिन हमें आज जो हम सपोर्ट मिला, आपसे बात करने का मौका भी दिया, सो मैं सीएस टीम को मैं उनकी गुड इन्वेस्टर सर्विस के लिए मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ। श्री पंकज जी को मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ और उनकी गुड इन्वेस्टर सर्विस के लिए। उनके साथ मिस रूपा और प्रशांत को भी गुड सर्विस के लिए धन्यवाद। बाकी तो सर बेस्ट विशेष के साथ नेक्स्ट ईयर रूबरू मिलेंगे। और फिलहाल तो आप सभी स्वस्थ रहे, सुरक्षित रहे। धन्यवाद सर। सर भरत साहब बात करें, चालू रखिए।
Thank you, Smita Ben. Thank you very much.
માનનીય ચેરમેન શ્રી, સર અવાજ આવે છે ને મારો?
हाँ जी.
माननीय चेयरमैन श्री सापुर जी, एमडी श्री और अन्य मान्यवर डायरेक्टर, सर मेरा नाम भरत शाह। सर मैं पहले तो 102 ईयर्स की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और ईश्वर परमात्मा भगवान को कहता हूं कि बहुत कंपनी आगे बढ़े। सर मेरी कोई क्वेरी नहीं है, मुश्किल समय में भी आपने कंपनी को न्यूट्रली चलाइए, आगे बढ़ाइए, हमेशा शेयर होल्डर को रिस्पेक्ट दिया है सर, शेयर होल्डर का हित को ख्याल रखा है सर, बहुत 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 धन्यवाद देता हूँ सर। और सर सीएसआर एक्टिविटी भी बहुत अच्छी व्यवस्थित चल रही है, उसके लिए भी मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ सर। सारे अवार्ड्स के लिए भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ सर। और सर अभी तो 1-2 साल हुए, तो आने वाले 1-2 साल में जरूर बोनस देने की मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, तो जरूर सोचना सर। बाकी सर 5 इयर्स के फ्यूचर को सर एक मिनट 5 इयर्स के फ्यूचर प्रोग्राम सर जरूर बताना सर। और कंपनी सेक्रेटरी पंकज भाई और उनकी टीम के रूपा जी, प्रशांत जी और पूरी हार्ड वर्किंग टीम को मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ सर। हमेशा शेयर होल्डर को रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं, कोई क्वेरी है तो सोल्व करते हैं। तो इसी माध्यम में जुड़ने के लिए भी बहुत दिक्कतें आती है, तो उनकी पंकज भाई और उनकी टीम ने बहुत व्यवस्थित हमको गाइड किया है, तो मैं पूरी सेक्रेटरी टीम को बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ सर। और 102 ईयर्स दिवाली अपना 102 ईयर्स कंप्लीट की मेरे आगे के शेयर होल्डर ने बोला, तो मैं कहता हूँ कि दिवाली के बाद कोविड-19 कंट्रोल में आने के बाद गेट टुगेदर जरूर रखना सर। और सर आगे कोविड-19 कंट्रोल में आने के बाद विजिट का भी जरूर सोचना सर। बाकी सर नेक्स्ट ईयर जरूर फेस टू फेस कोविड-19 कंट्रोल में आने के बाद पहले की तरह रखना, तो अपन फेस टू फेस मिलेगा, आत्मीयता का बढ़ाव होएगा सर। बाकी सब रिजोल्यूशन में सर मेरा पूरा सपोर्ट है और आने वाले दशहरा दीपावली त्योहारों की मैं शुभकामनाएं देता हूं सर। बाकी सब रिजोल्यूशन में मेरा पूरा सपोर्ट है सर। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, थैंक यू, जय हिंद सर, थैंक यू, जय हिंद सर।
Thank you, Bharat bhai. Thank you very much. Thank you to all the speakers. I'll now ask.
Members who could not speak due to technical reasons, or if any of the queries remains unanswered, can send their email to investor.relations@forbes.co.in. We will respond accordingly.
I request the managing director's team to respond to the queries raised by the shareholders, and I shall supplement the responses where required.
Yeah. Thank you, Shafu. So I'll try to answer all the questions because there are a repeat of questions as well. To quickly go through the list, to start with, I'll talk about the higher amount of sales and the lower amount of profit. Yes, the observation is right. On a standalone basis, we have grown from 202 crores to 575 crores. And on a consolidated basis, we have grown from 2,760 crores to 2,930 crores. And similarly, on the profit, we have also grown from a negative 21 to a positive 123 on the standalone, and consolidated from minus 122 to 94 crores. So, on that basis, the reasons for the losses that have been declared are the impairment that we had to take for certain businesses, and these are one-time exceptional costs. We will not see that in the future again, except for some small amounts that may come. But otherwise, major part of it is now been taken care of. As regards the cost savings on the front related to traveling and conveyance that we talked about, we had spent around 43 crores in the last year, in the year ending 31st March 2020. We actually incurred only around 17 crores in the year 2021. On the selling and promotion expenses, we did around 156 crores in 2020, which is around 128 crores in the year 2021. As regards the question related to the savings on the printing of balance sheet or non-printing of balance sheet and the AGM expenses in total are around 8 lakhs. And because of non-printing of the balance sheet, we were able to save around 7 lakhs rupees there. So that's the part related to the expenses. Very quickly on the COVID position, at Forbes standalone level, which is only Forbes and Company, we had 2 deaths. And as we speak today, we have around 25 cases which are presently COVID impacted. As far as the number of people who are fully vaccinated, 76% of our population is now fully vaccinated, and 24% of the population has to go through the second dose of vaccination. So that's the status related to COVID. It was unfortunate that we had 2 deaths on the back in this time. Mrs. Mehta mentioned about celebration, and the celebration comes in the form of EFL shares, which will be given to in the ratio of 1:15, 15 shares for every 1 share of Forbes. So I would urge the shareholders to look at that as a very positive thing, which is going to be a wealth creator in that sense for each one of them. So that covers a few points. The key point related to the EFL listing, as you already know, and we have mentioned it in the board, in the chairman's report as well, we have gone through the first hearing of NCLT. We are awaiting the order, and immediately after the order comes, we will finally be going with the shareholders and the creditors and the lenders meeting. So it's a matter of time now, because it has been some time since we are waiting for the formal order. So that will happen soon. Please bear with us on the time frame, because this is something that is not in our control, and we are waiting on this aspect for this. Some comments on the challenges in supply chain. As regards supply chain challenges, this was the supplies that were not coming from China and from our vendors, because they also were closed. That was prevalent in the early months of 2020, between April and July. And since then, there has been a continuous improvement, and that has been reflected in the results as well. So I hope I explained this point properly. As regards the matter of passbook machines and servicing of that, there could have been a shortfall in the initial periods of servicing, but that has caught up in the later periods. As you all know, April to July 2020, mobility of personnel was limited. Therefore, people could not come to office nor could travel to the banks, etc., to set the things right. But there has been a continuous improvement on these aspects since that point of time. Some question was there on the status of Visinia. Visinia is in 2 phases. There are 5 buildings in phase 1, which was delivered in March 2020, and the phase 2, as the chairman mentioned in the meeting, at the beginning of the meeting, the phase 2 will be completed by June 2022. We are on phase of completion. We got impacted again because of the second wave, but we are sure and we are confident that we will be able to deliver it by June 2022. As regards the land bank details, when we talk about land bank details, we are talking about buildings as well as land, and the total projected market value of that portfolio is around 625 crores. I think Mr. Bimal Kumar and Mr. One more person, Mr. Kashish Samvani had asked this question. So broadly, just to give you a perspective, in various places, the total portfolio of the land as valued on 31st March 2021 is around 625 crores. Your point related to investment protection fund, around 1.27% of the shares, and to be precise, 1,63,496 shares are lying with the investor protection fund, because some dividends were not claimed and finally some shareholders were not traceable, and therefore that number that I mentioned is the number of shares that are transferred with the IEPF. Operations of the company, we started in a very...
Should I take that over?
Yes, please.
Yeah. I think a couple of the shareholders wanted to know how the first 5 months have gone. I think I can tell you that the first 5 months have gone reasonably well. Your engineering division has done reasonably well, and you'll be happy with the result. Should be happy. God willing, that the result should be good by the end of the year. The shipping department, as you know, we've sold 3 ships, and the 2 ships that we have are generating cash flow for us and have done reasonably well. As far as FTL is concerned, we are in the process of we are
right sizing it at the moment.
We are right sizing it at the moment and trying to minimize as far as the losses are concerned, as far as that is concerned. Any other businesses we should report?
No, I think EFL.
EFL has margin is sitting there. He will tell you he has done very well in the first 5 months, even though there was a lockdown in the month of April and part of May. I think the recovery has been very good. Okay, sorry. Is there any other question you would like to answer that's not specific?
I think most of it has been answered. If there are still any questions that still
please write
to Investor Relations, and we'll definitely come back on the questions.
Okay. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you. Pankaj? Okay. I thank the shareholder.
Answers must be given. To specific questions, specific answers must be given, sir.
So, what is there any specific thing that you want us to answer? If there is, please let us know, and we will take that up now or to the email. Is that fine? Hello? I couldn't.
Moderator.
Okay. Was it the moderator who asked this question? No, I don't think he would have done that.
Okay. I thank the shareholders for attending the meeting and for their continued support, and authorize the company secretary to accept and countersign the scrutineer's report and declare consolidated voting results on the receipt of the scrutinizer's report. And I now request Mr. Pankaj Khattar to conduct the voting and conclude the meeting. Thank you so much.
Makarand Joshi, partner, Makarand and Joshi and Company Secretary, Public Secretaries have been appointed as the scrutinizer of this meeting. The e-voting facility shall remain 15 minutes after the conclusion of the voting to enable shareholders to vote across votes if not already cast. As the AGM is held through VC only, and the resolution have been put to vote through e-voting, there will be no proposals for settlement of the resolution. I request the members to cast their votes. The result would be enough to the 48 answers of the conclusion of the meeting, and the same would be intimated for basic input and also uploaded on the website of the company and NSDS. With this, the meeting is concluded. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you to all the shareholders. I can't see you all, but thank you very much for attending. Thank you for your questions. I hope we have answered to our ability, but we are happy to answer specific questions with very specific answers through the email. Thank you very much indeed.